Good morning, pre-K friends. It's Mrs. McClintock here. It's Friday and I'm excited for our book time this morning because I have a super silly and super fun story to share with you. Before I tell you what this book is called, I want us to look at the cover together. Looking at the front cover is a very important part of reading because the front cover gives us clues about what the book and the story might be about. So let's take a look. What do you see, pre-Kers? Aha, yes. What kind of animal is that? That is a hippopotamus, but what is he doing in the picture? Okay, I'm going to read the title and maybe it'll give you a clue about what the hippo is doing. This book is called The HICCUP-otamus. Did you guess that he was hiccuping? He is. They even wrote hic. Have you ever had the hiccups before? How does it make you feel when you have the hiccups? Yeah, I feel kind of silly too because I make a silly sound every time I hiccup and my body jumps. What have you done to get rid of your hiccups? Like, what makes them go away? Yeah, sometimes I try to drink a lot of water. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. I'm ready to read this book now. Let's see what happens to this hippo with the hiccups. So here's the title page, The HICCUP-otamus, and it was written by Zenz. His name is the only name on our title page, so that means he wrote the words and he illustrated the pictures. Hic! Oh my goodness. Poor hippo. Hic! There was a hippopotamus who hiccuped quite a lotamus, and every time he got-a-mus, he'd fall upon his bottomus. Oh, I can tell this is going to be a silly story. Do you hear all of the silly rhymes? One day, he saw an elephant with cakes of green and yellowfant. He tried to tell her, hello, Fint. Oh no, he's trying to tell the elephant hello, but then he hic. What happened to the green and yellow cupcake that was in elephant's hands? It's flying in the air. I wonder what's going to happen. What do you predict is going to happen to the yellow and green cupcake? Let's see. Uh-oh, it didn't go so well, elephant. Was your prediction correct? It fell on the elephant and got her all messy. She doesn't look very happy. She chased him toward a centipede, pouring new cementipede. A centipede is a type of bug that is really long and it has a lot of legs. Normally, centipedes have 100 legs, but I don't think they drew that many in our story. He hiccuped by accidentipede. Uh-oh, the hippo hiccuped right there by the cement. Uh-oh, and tripped the elephantipede. Oh no, guys, the elephant fell in the cement. Do you know what happens to things that stay in cement too long? They get stuck. I hope she gets out quickly. Oh, phew, she does. They ran near a rhinoceros with minty dental flosserus. He's flossing his teeth. His string went all crisscrosserous. Hick! And that was the last strawrocerus. Oh my goodness. All of the animals are now tied up in the dental floss, and they don't look very happy with Hippo. They tried to find a therapy, some cure, which they could therapy. Do you know what a cure is? A cure is a way to make things better or to make things go away. A what or why or where-py to stop this long nightmare-py. So they're all reading books. It says fix hicks. They're trying to find a way to fix the hippo's hiccups. I wonder what they're going to try to do. Okay, here's one way. They wrapped him around with licorice and spun him very quickerish. Do you think that will work? Spinning him around quickly? Do you think that'll get rid of his hiccups? Look at it. He looks dizzy. They secured him to a buffalo and made him huff and puffalo. These are some interesting ways to cure hiccups. I don't know if they're working though. They acquired an aquarium and flashed him something scarium. So they put him in water inside of the aquarium and they tried to scare him. I've heard of that way. I've heard if you scare someone and say, boo, it makes their hiccups go away. But I don't think it's working for Hippo. They poured him tubs of vinegar and tickled his chinniger. So on this page, they're making him drink vinegar, which does not taste very good. And then they try to tickle him, but hick, still not working. And then at last, a miracle. His hiccups, so severical, just didn't reappearical. He grinned from ear to earicle. Yay, he's so happy. His hiccups suddenly disappeared. I guess all of those cures did work. A cure makes things go away. It makes things better. Until, usually when they say until, that means something else is going to happen. Let's see. Hick! 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 Wait a minute. Those hiccups aren't coming from Hippo. They're coming from the yellow elephant. Hick! And the red centipede. Hick! And the orange rhinoceros. Hick! The hippo got rid of his hiccups, but now all of the other animal friends have them. Oh no! So now you can see everyone's off hiccuping in the field. And what's Hippo doing? He's reading the book to fix their hiccups. I bet he's gonna try to do some of those things that they tried to do to him. What do you think? I love this story. It's silly, it's funny, it's colorful, and it has lots of wonderful rhyming words. I cannot wait to see you later on today on our Zoom meeting. Maybe we can try to draw some animals just like the ones in our story. What do you think? Bring your crayons, bring your paper. I can't wait to draw and create something with you. Bye, friends.